So I was saying that yesterday I was having a very different perspective regarding what incident you shared, but after listening the whole incident, the lady was right to some extent, because if it's comes to the interview, from the interview point of view, that's a very important thing for us, for anyone. So we can't do the experiment like I know that 10 new words in the vocab, and just to show the impression I'm just using that words. Okay, but when it's come, but you also added one line that after that incident, earlier my vocabulary was very good, but after that incident I started using simple word instead of fancy word. Okay, so the person who is who is communicating with me, so he would be able to understand us, but it's fine. You have the, you have the responsibility of your action, not the, you have that responsibility. This person with whom you are talking, he or she would be able to understand, but it's not happen every time that the person with whom you are talking is always at your lower level than you. Okay, he or she might be at your higher level, so you have to show your skills. Okay, like you will find someone who wants to take the class from you. Okay, and that person is very good in English. Okay, so you have to show your skill. Okay, so sometimes you have to do a bit of show off by using that fancy word, that yeah, you are very good, but still, people need some sort of show off, so they will judge you. Oh, now she's better. If you are using, you're very good with the language, and you are using the simple sentence, simple line. Yeah, I had a word with her, but she's okay. I would not like to say that yeah, she's very awesome. So sometimes to impress someone, or sometimes to, your level is here, and to you have to become on that level. So in the pyramid, so you have to be one step ahead, because it's an ocean. I think this language is an ocean. The more you learn, the more is left. Whatever you learn, you may come across a new thing every day. So I would, being a learner, okay, not being a learner, so I would suggest you should incorporate some that fancy word in your communication, because if it's not hampering you in the fluency, of course, so I think you should do
yourself, you are answering yourself, you are contradicting yourself in just one go.
right now.
Yeah, bilkul. If you came across something that, see, that was that you are saying that nahi, aisa karna chahiye, then you are just try to cover up those things. Now you're saying things being done is good, so don't
No,
do it.
until I said, until or unless it's not hampering your fluency. Okay, I would suggest you, no ma'am, no, you should use this word. I don't find you impressive. No, until or unless you are not comfortable, why would you need to change in your personality? You have a different way of talking with a simple, in a very simple, and you are able to express yourself. That's enough. There's no need to show that fancy words. Okay, so I can just recommend you. I can't impose you that you have to do,
I
so
can
just
give a suggestion to you, or it's in my opinion, if you'll take my recommendation, I would suggest that you should go for it.